So, hi friends. So, in this previous section, we have already developed particularly the student service controller. So, we were getting to the method get a student. So, we have get the details of the school name. So, apart from that, we will be having the student list. So we will create the student list exactly here, and this list will be having list of students. So we will have the list of a student like this. So so this list will be having the list of students, and that will be coming from the school DB. So that will be coming from school DB. So that from school DB it will be we will be getting the particularly this list, and we will getting from the school name. And after getting that, if this student list is null, then what happens? Then if a student list equals to null, then what will be the things that can happen? Um, so firstly, that if a student list is equal to new array list, then we can have this student whether it's found or not found details, and we can add the student also in that way. So we do like that if a student list equals to new array list, and this array list is basically having the students only, and this is having the students, and this is having the student now. um, Now if this is having the students, and we can add the students to that, and we can do like if it's new student, and if it's not found, then we can say that not found. And if there is no one, then we can say NA there, and and we can add rest of the within the list. So we can add it student list dot add, and we can add all with the std, means student detail list. So we can add it, and we can have then we can return the student list. So we can return the student list basically, and that's how. So now we have to give this detail to the request mapping. So we take request mapping, so that we can place it, and this will be having value, and this will be triggered to get a student for a school. So we will having get a student details for school, and basically we will be taking this as a school name. uh, um, so we will having this school name here. So like that will be, and that will be having a particularly will method which will be have a request method dot cat, like that we will be having. So here type of mistake. So request method dot cat. Okay, when we have got that details, then we will be having these details with respect to school school name, and this is also close status. We have exactly, we have triggered the value of that, and we have triggered from this way to that, so that we can have that. And request method will be coming from basically basically this request method will be will we will be triggering up and this method will trigger up some details from the String framework web bind annotations, and that's how we will be getting this detail with respect to the student service. So now our student service is having all the details. It is having the student, and now we are going to run this service that is it showing on that front level. So we just start this because already we have configured the server, and it's 8761. So we make the Eureka application active, and we run this on a Java application and see that if we are triggering it up, then what's the status currently we are getting. So this is particularly deployed, and the application is started up, and all the things are on the 8098 port, and it's the updating port which has been seen. So basically, we will go to our we will go to our particularly web browser, where we can see more of these details here. So we just minimize all our things, and just see that what's happening, that there is a Chrome browser here. So we can see the Chrome there. So yeah, so we have already this service active previously when we have opened the Eureka. So that we have opened with the HTTP with the localhost 8761. So that was the address. So now if you see that our student service is active here, and it's deployed successfully. So now after having this, we have to make the school service also in the same manner. So in the next session, we will be making the school service. Thank you. Kindly keep continuing watching this series, so that more informative videos you will be get about the microservices. Okay, thank you.